gente, Louie the Boiler Man, Hvac. Guys, I can't talk too loud because I'm in the customer house. We have to have a lot of track because people are sleeping. But we're here. We need a hero there because today we're here to fix this leak. We have a leak over here. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what it is to repair this union because this manifold does not exist. And guess what? We're going to fix it today. Hvac. Today we're working on NCB 240, and it's an older version. So this unit's from 2014. So today we got a call, and he told us, Louie, we have a problem, and the problem is that it has a leak, and we want to fix it. So we come over, we want to loosen up the union, and unfortunately, this union does not want to fall off. Sorry, union. So the union doesn't want to disconnect. I mean, we put some muscle to it. I mean, we put some wrenches, we put some heat. And I don't like to put too much heat because this actually is a gasket inside and it's plastic. However, the point is, it's not loosening. We have to do something about it. And they do not make this manifold anymore because it's obsolete, because it's an older model. It's about 10 years old. 2014 or 2020, where we're going into 2024. So guys, you can just put, two and two together. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut the union. I'm going to take a sawzall. We're going to cut this union right here. And what we're going to do, since this is already brazed here, we're going to use oxygen acetylene. We're going to braze it, and we're going to heat this, and we're going to actually take the fitting. We're going to disconnect the fitting and remove the fitting. So guys, I'm going to show you the process. What it is. Listen, I don't like to say no. I like to help my customer, my clients, and somebody else may say, oh, listen, we don't got the part. But with Louie the Boiler Man, we make things happen. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you to the journey on what it is to do this repair, and you can do it yourself too. Otherwise, you can call this handsome son of a gun at Louie the Boiler Man, 516-377-5200. Hvac.